Welcome to Writing Tutorials. In today's lesson, we will be learning how to write an application for a construction worker position. Before we begin breaking down the letter, let's start with the definition. A job application letter is a formal document written by someone applying for a job. It introduces the applicant to the employer, highlights skills, qualifications, and experience, and explains why the writer is a good fit for the position. For many employers, the letter is the first impression before the resume is even read, so writing a strong one can make a big difference in getting invited for an interview. Now let's begin analyzing the sample letter, starting with the applicant's personal details placed at the top of the page. Jonathan Pierce, 4510 Meadow Creek Drive, Des Moines, Iowa 50317. Email, jonathan.pierce@email.com. Phone, 515-672-8942. This section tells the employer who is writing the letter and how they can be contacted. It is important to include your full name, address, email, and phone number. A neat and professional layout reflects organization, attention to detail, and seriousness about the application. If any information is outdated or incorrect, the employer may not be able to contact you, so always double-check this part before sending your letter. Next, we include the date. Date, April 15th, 2026. Including the date helps show when the letter was written. It also helps the employer keep their files organized since applications may be reviewed days or weeks later. Writing the month in full, followed by the day and year, is a professional and standard format used in business letters. After that, we add the recipient's details, which in this case include the hiring manager and the company's address. Hiring manager, Midwest Builders and Contractors, 2285 Riverwalk Parkway, Cedar Rapids, Iowa, 52404. This section shows who the letter is meant for. It demonstrates that the letter is specific and not a generic one sent to multiple employers. If you know the exact name of the hiring manager, it is always better to use it. But if the name is unknown, hiring manager is perfectly acceptable and still professional. The company name and address also help the recipient immediately confirm that the application is correctly directed to them. Next, we include the subject line. Subject, application for construction worker position. The subject line clearly tells the employer the purpose of the letter. Companies often receive many letters and emails, and this makes it easy to identify the type of application right away. Always include the job title you are applying for to avoid confusion. Now we move to one of the most important parts of the letter, the salutation. Dear Hiring Manager, the salutation is the professional greeting used to start the letter. It should always be polite and respectful. If you know the hiring manager's name, using it can make the letter feel more personalized, such as Dear Mr. Johnson or Dear Ms. Davis. However, if you do not have a name, Dear Hiring Manager is a safe and professional greeting that works well. Now we come to the first main paragraph of the letter. I am writing to apply for the construction worker position at Midwest Builders and Contractors. With over 4 years of experience in residential and commercial construction, site preparation, material handling, and equipment operation, I am confident in my ability to contribute effectively to your team and ongoing projects. This paragraph introduces the applicant and states the purpose of the letter. It also gives a clear summary of experience and skills, mentioning specific abilities like material handling, equipment operation, and site preparation, shows that the applicant has practical knowledge in construction work. Employers appreciate confidence when it is supported with real experience, so this paragraph helps create a strong first impression. When writing your own application, be direct and clear about why you are writing, and immediately share your strongest qualifications. Now, let's move to the second paragraph. In my current role at Central Foundation Works in Des Moines, I assist with concrete installation, framing, demolition, and job site cleanup, while consistently following safety regulations and OSHA guidelines. I am known for being reliable, hardworking, and able to cooperate well with supervisors and team members to complete projects on time. This paragraph gives more detail about the applicant's current responsibilities. It lists specific tasks such as framing, concrete installation, demolition, and cleanup, which helps the employer understand what type of work the applicant is already familiar with. Mentioning adherence to OSHA guidelines and safety regulations is especially important in construction, where physical risks are common. Employers value workers who understand the importance of safety, teamwork, and reliability. When writing your own letter, always try to show not only what you do, but also how you contribute positively to the workplace. Mentioning qualities like teamwork, dependability, and strong work ethic helps demonstrate that you will be a good fit on the job site. Now let's look at the third paragraph. Midwest Builders and Contractors is highly respected in the industry, and I would welcome the opportunity to add my skills and work ethic to your company. I'm available for an interview at your convenience and can be reached by phone or email. This paragraph shows the applicant's interest in the company specifically. It's important to show that you're not just applying anywhere, but that you have a reason for wanting to work with that employer. This demonstrates motivation and sincerity. The applicant also mentions availability for an interview and provides contact options again. This is a professional way of closing the main content and makes it easy for the employer to follow up. Next, we have the closing statement. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to the possibility of working with your team. This short closing is polite and professional. It expresses gratitude while keeping the tone respectful and hopeful. Avoid sounding demanding. Instead, stay positive and appreciative. And finally, the sign-off. Sincerely, signature, Jonathan Pierce. Sincerely is one of the most standard and appropriate ways to end a business letter. The name underneath reaffirms who the letter is from. If the letter is printed, the signature would be handwritten, but if it is emailed, typing the name is acceptable. Now, before we finish, let's talk about some overall tips and reminders for writing a strong application letter for a construction worker position or any hands-on job. First, always be clear and specific about your skills and experience. Construction companies want to know exactly what tasks you can perform and how well you can perform them. Second, demonstrate your professionalism. Show that you understand safety, teamwork, and reliable work habits. Third, make sure your formatting is clean and easy to read. A well-presented letter makes a good first impression. And finally, express genuine interest in the company. Employers value workers who show commitment and enthusiasm. That brings us to the end of this breakdown. With this structure and explanation, you should now be able to create a strong and professional application letter that stands out and increases your chances of getting called for an interview. Thank you for watching writing tutorials, and keep practicing to improve your writing skills.